God, it's cold.
I just talk so fast.
What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are here with Charlie, Coates, and Kobe. They are actually subscribers from Texas, on their way through to Cincinnati.
Yes, sir.
On the way through to Cincinnati, hit me up about a week ago and said, I'm coming through, you want to hang out? Went and got a bite to eat at Don Poncho's, and I gave him a ride on the way here. We're gonna give them a ride on the way back. But guys, they brought down their 2016 Mustang GT, and this is a California special. It's just the stripes are gone right now, but and it, what's the front end again?
Cervini Stalker.
So it's a Cervini Stalker front end. Dude, I absolutely love it.
Yeah, I could not get over how awesome it looks.
It looks much better on ours than it did on Chad. I probably shouldn't say that out loud, but
Forgive the bugs.
Oh, you're fine.
10-hour drive here, you know.
And guys, it is extremely cold here. It's like 29 degrees right now. Y'all came from what, 60 degrees, 70 degrees?
Yeah.
And it was like 50s yesterday, but then a cold front came through and now it's freezing.
it's showing our dedication.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So this is the person who did your ceramic coating?
Yeah, his name's Nick. If you're in Central Texas and you're watching this, you need to talk to Nick at Odaddy.
Detailing.
It's very, very high quality work at the rock bottom price.
Yeah.
Seriously.
So
he
where's
does it out of his garage, and it's so good. And he's so dedicated.
Killeen, Texas.
Yeah, he lives in Coppers Cove.
Coppers Cove?
Central
Yeah.
Texas.
It's
So
in
Central Texas. So if y'all in the Central Texas area, give this guy a shout.
It is worth the drive, I promise.
Car looks great.
Thank you. Never mind the ice.
Oh yeah, it's kind of iced up right there. It's
Yeah.
cold. Pretty much stock, got a Roush coat air.
Yeah, it's no tuning or nothing done on it yet.
Okay.
That's to come. I'm not going to waste the money tuning it until there's actually more stuff done to it.
Okay.
And it's going to be stock, and then, wow.
You've actually named the car.
Yes. Her name is Maleficent, the mistress of all evil. She's the queen.
The queen.
Queen of all evil, however you want to say it.
The
But,
Disney queen
I like it.
of all evil.
I like it. What wheels are these?
niche Targas. They're forged. They're heavy as hell, but they
No
look
attention
great.
to the Barney caliber.
20-inch by 9 in the front, 10.5 in back, 255 tires. They're Toyo Proxys. The rears are 295 Toyo Proxys. But she's coming along. Right now, the biggest change has been the front end, and I mean, it's just.
That front end, I don't know if they can pick it up at night, but man, that thing is looking good.
Yep. We have the diode dynamic switchbacks too. That's that completely changes the front end of the car, in my personal opinion. It goes from that yellow amber color to all white. It just really cleans it up. Lights are all tinted, completely blacked out.
So before you started doing all this, you was actually the twin to my car.
Exactly, yeah.
We just pulled the California Special stripes off. Like,
Yeah, because I know when I've actually featured this car for the subscriber ride, and it looked pretty much, except for the fender, it looked just like my car.
Yep, and the wheels and the suspension.
Yeah,
Some
exactly.
and they
performance.
also had still the same splitter too at that point.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just put that on. This video is probably going to be the first time it's seen publicly.
Okay.
Because I was waiting to do a big reveal. I don't know, I'm stupid, but trying to do the whole get followers thing.
Yeah. So, by the way, speaking of followers, what is your Instagram?
It's at Charlie Stavro.
At Charlie
I'm gonna put
Stavro.
it up on the bottom, I'm
Yeah,
sure.
it'll be on the bottom.
But
yep.
yeah, it's,
Lots
go ahead
more
and
to
follow
come.
along. There's going to be more. It's going to slow down for a little bit, but I try to post every day except Sunday.
ride control actually kicked in there.
Wow. Pulls like a champ.
Yeah.
That was funny. Jeez. Legitimate. Yeah, that's impressive.
I'm so used to it. That's the bad thing.
Yeah, I heard, you know, once you actually attain, it's like, yeah, I want to have a 700 horsepower car. You get that, you achieve that number, you're thrilled with it for about a week, and then you're like, okay, let's pull it down.
Yeah, I mean that's literally what it comes down to. Yeah, it pulls pretty good.
Yes, it does. It hooked up too. I'm surprised. 34 degrees it hooked.
Yeah.
What tires are you running?
Mickey Thompson ET Street R's.
Really? I
Yep.
heard those didn't hook for nothing.
The ET Street R's? Oh
Apparently
no,
they do.
they are the go-to tire. They are the go-to tire for running. For the S550s, running boost.
Even just little blips is like, oof.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you really can't hear it. You hear the supercharger.
You can. Did you watch the end of my video, my last video?
Yeah, I did.
Where I actually put the GoPro in the air intake box.
Right, right.
And it pretty loud.
Yeah. Surprised me.
And see, it drives just like a normal car. I mean,
Until you hit that loud pedal.
oh yeah. Like half throttle, you know, like I said in the video, my other video, half throttle is pretty nice.
Yeah.
And wide open is just okay.
Yeah, wide open is hold on.
Oh, I'm sold. We were sitting there at the table.
Okay. All right, guys, we took it down the road. So what'd y'all think?
Oh, it was amazing.
It was great.
I'm sold. I'm in.
Hell yeah.
Charlie, what'd you think about it?
Yeah. He
Well-
didn't catch me when we got out of the car at the restaurant. But my hands, as a passenger, legitimately trembling.
See,
Yeah.
for me, it's like normal now. But he's actually been talking about getting boost, guys.
Yeah.
And so when he said he was coming through, we agreed to meet up. I actually wanted him to ride down the road in the car, and she was also worried about like drivability and stuff like that. So I was like, come on down, I'll take you down the road in my car. You'll feel the drivability, feel how it feels going down, you know, getting on it. And so what do you think?
Oh, it feels great.
Yeah, so we got boost in the future.
Oh, absolutely.
Awesome.
As soon as
It's
possible,
happening.
yes.
It's
yes.
happening. We're going to do
Awesome.
very similar builds as far as power goes.
Sweet.
We're not going to, you know, pulley down in the 85 because it's a daily, it's our only car, so
Yeah.
it's gonna be a minute, but it'll happen.
Awesome.
It'll happen.
Awesome.
Wengerd, coming.
Yeah, guys, there's talks about what's going to happen. It's going to be sometime in the future, but stay tuned for that. Like I said, go check them out. Instagram below. What's the Instagram again?
At Charlie Stavro.
At Charlie Stavro.
Yep.
So I want to thank them for coming down, giving me a shout. I came out to meet them. We had a blast. Went out to eat. Did some little pulls in Mexico, and just had a lot of fun, guys.
That was awesome.
But guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.